ಭಾರತದ ಜನಗಳಾದ ನಾವು ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮ ಸಮಾಜವಾದಿ ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಸಮಭಾವದ ಪ್ರಜಾಸತ್ತಾತ್ಮಕ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯವಾಗಿ ರಚಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಸಮಸ್ತ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗೆ
Good morning to you, my dear children. On behalf of the management and all my staff members, and on behalf of me and on behalf of all of you present over here this morning, I'm here and have the privilege to welcome Mr. Kush Durgi.
Claps.
He's kindly welcoming to you. Yes, a warm welcome to you, sir. Yesterday I was very much impressed when sir came to me and he told me that he wants to address the students to motivate them. At first I was a bit confused, but when sir showed me a video in which he was motivating the students, that had an impact on me, and then I decided that today we will call sir and we will ask sir to address our little children of standard 5th, 6th and 7th. Sir is MA in English, MA MPhil in Hindi. He is a poet, he is a writer and he is a publisher. And sir, I can say he is a very intelligent man, because only intelligent people can teach Vedic maths. Right? You all learn maths? Yes, but here today sir is going to motivate you how to learn maths in a very easy way through Vedic maths. So on behalf of all of you, I would like to welcome sir once again, and I request all of you children, it's very, very important for you, because you are the upcoming future of our country, and without maths, you will not be able to sustain anywhere in the world. Okay? So, I request all of you to pay attention you pay attention to whatever sir speaks, and you answer sir. Whether you answer right or you answer wrong, but answer. And when you can answer, when you listen carefully. Okay? So all of you listen carefully to sir, and if you have any difficulties or if you want to ask any questions to sir after the session, all of you can ask. So thank you very much and have a nice session today.
Thank you, madam. Okay. Good morning to all of you. Yes. I am Ankush Durgi. It's my pen name, Ankush Durgi. Nowadays, I started one YouTube channel. That's also Ankush Durgi. Another Facebook and YouTube channel and Instagram. All are called Ankush Durgi. There is another YouTube channel that is called Ankush Durgi Marathi Media. Okay? I lectured about 25 to 30 years in all that Dharwad, Belgaum and Sangli, Athuni, Sangli which is in Maharashtra. Along with the lecturing, still I am studying. Now I am the student of 60 years. Still I am studying. I covered more than 10 degrees and planning to again do more and more. Just I am finishing one PhD, and again I have interest to go to another PhD. Then now here I am giving you some ideas in the maths. Within 2 minutes you will say that we can cover tables up to 100 within 2 minutes. Up to 100 tables you can cover. And if you cover the tables, you can cover the mathematics of the world. It's a backbone of, means the tables are the backbone of mathematical world. So it's a very great idea to cover these all things. If you cover these all the basic things, you will become a super student because of the Vedic maths, your brain will be activated at maximum. Then you can cover the maths and also all the subjects very easily. So many things are there. Just I am giving here one idea about the tables. Can you see this properly? All? Yes, come on, let us start. Here is a table formation. How to create the tables? By the help of Vedic techniques. Okay? You can see here, that is my YouTube channel, that is Ankush Durgi. Only 2 words. Another Ankush Durgi Marathi medium. Okay. Then here, Facebook Ankush Durgi, Instagram Ankush Durgi. Okay? Now, we are planning to create here table of 52. Table of 52. Is it clear? Here we are creating table of 52 and we are taking help from this side. What we should do? There is a Vedic technique. First you have to write out the table of 5, means for the first digit and again for the second digit. Okay? Okay. Whenever I say start, then please set your time. Please set your time. Within 2 minutes, you will say that I can create tables up to 100 like that. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Please set your time. Okay? Come on, start. 52. First we have to write out the table of 5 and the table of 2. Is it clear? Next, second technique. If we have 2 digits, then from the second table, last one line of digits, last one line, 2 digits, 1 line should be taken there directly. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again the same, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. There we have taken. Is it clear? Next rule, the front line digits of the second table should be added in the first table. Is it clear? Come on, 5, there is no digit to add. Take 5 as it is, 10 as it is, 15 as it is, 20 as it is. But here, what we should do? Yes, addition. 25 plus 1? 26, 31, 36, 41, 46, 52. Is it clear? Yes. Now we have the table of 52. In the same way, can you create the table of 53? Yes. 54? Yes. 65? Yes. 76? Yes. 89? Yes. 99? Yes. Wow, super. Now you can create tables up to 100. Wow. Please check your time. 2 minutes. Some seconds less by 2 minutes. Please invest once in your life only 2 minutes. You can create tables up to 100. Is it clear? Is this needs any biotic system? No, sir. Yes. Are you going to forget this? No, sir. Okay, this is the power of Vedic maths. No need of study, no need of biotic. Then what do you want? Without any biotic, without any wasted time, without any practice, you can create tables. And which will be not forget for your work. This is the way that Vedic gives us the ideas. So So if you use these things in your daily life study, you will become a super ranker. My thousands and thousands, lakhs together students across the Karnataka and Maharashtra and Goa became the super rankers. And my daughters, 3 daughters, all are the state rankers. Regularly in all that primary, high school, college, degree, PG, everywhere, now in PhD. 2 daughters are becoming scientists within 1 or 2 months. And the youngest one, Nikita, now she is the topper of the world. One of the super topper of the world. Now she is getting 1 lakh stipend per month at the international level. That she is now going to Taiwan University for the research project. So many things you can do. Don't say that I am dull, I am medium, I am average student. No. There is my slogan. There is my slogan. Nobody is dull and no subject is tough. But we have to follow some special techniques, tricks, methods and ideas. If we follow the techniques and tricks and methods and ideas, you will become super ranker within very, very short span of time. So better to follow these things. Come on. But remember that I am not going to give you here all the lectures of all the techniques. But you are not going to miss those. You are getting all the lectures in my YouTube channel in a very detailed manner. So I am giving you the lectures in all the channels. YouTube channel, another YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. Whenever you get the time, free times, Saturdays, Sundays, holidays, summer vacations, Dasra, Deepavali vacations, even by the evening, whenever you get the time, just 5 minutes, 10 minutes, please follow my YouTube channel. You will get maximum lectures there on all the subjects. Okay? Is it clear? Now give me 1 minute, just 1 minute. You will say, we can make tables up to thousands. Thousands and lakhs and crores. Just 1 minute. Yes, come on. Come on. Already we have created table of 52. Is it clear? Yes. Now I want to create table of 952. 952. What should I do here? Yes, come on. Yes, I should write out the table of 9. Say, it is done. Okay? Suppose there is a 9 table. Okay? When we have 2 digits, we have taken 1 line there. 2 digits, 1 line. Then 3 digits, 2 lines. 2 digits, here 2 digits, 1 line we have taken. There are 3 digits. Wow, super, smart students. 2 lines we have to take there. And what we should do with the front line? Wow, that should be added in the table of 9. Then we will get the table of 952. Wow, super. 952 means we are very, very near to 1000. Now you can create tables up to 1000. If there comes 9 and 9 and 9, can you create? Yes. Wow, super. Come on. Now let us use this idea in everyday life. Your schooling class. How to do the multiplications. If you understood one multiplication procedure, you can cover the multiplication of the whole world. Just one idea. Yes, come on, let us start. primary section means Gomtesh English Medium primary section, our HM madam and our all the staff members, teaching, non-teaching, you all together have given me a very special chance here to share my ideas here. I am very, very thankful to one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
On behalf of Gomtesh Vidyapit, Gomtesh English Medium Primary School, on behalf of Madam, Sir, and all staff members and students, I thank you, sir, for your nice section and nice tips. I hope all the students will follow this. Okay? Once again, I thank you, sir.